All right, good morning, Marion County. We're going to try this again. The time now is about 4:38. It is the 7th day of March, 2026, and we have had a tornado come through the northern portions of the county, anywhere between Berea Way all the way to the latter part of Hall Road. So again, I'm going to try this. Turn this around. So here is a map of Marion County. So we're talking about a tornado went somewhere from this part of the county all the way up through this part of the county into Cass. So I want everybody to stay safe this morning. If you haven't been out on the roads, I would be very cautious on getting on the roads until the sun is up and out and you can see. We've got road and bridge crews going out everywhere throughout the county. The sheriff woke me up. I don't even know what time it was when he woke me up, but it's been a while. So we have had a tornado on the ground in the northern portions of Marion County. I just ran back to the office so that I could fill out and sign a disaster declaration, which I just signed. The clerk's not here, so I time stamped it. We're going to be out. If you situation, please dial 911 if it's an emergency. If it's not an emergency and you need help, maybe from the sheriff's department or from the county road and bridge crews, please call dispatch on their non-emergency line. Again, please check on your friends and neighbors. Call your relatives in the county. Just check on each other. Marion County is the best at this. We take care of each other. Just make sure that we're doing that this morning. So again, if you need to get out this morning, please be safe. If anybody needs anything, let somebody know. God bless you. God bless Texas. Have a good morning.